Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code with Abdur. So I'm gonna build a website, a new project for you, static website using HTML CSS only. We use actually we build this project, basic project only for you. So you have to subscribe please. Okay, so thank you for that. Okay, now we actually show you the images I'm going to use. That's the PNG. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one or this one and third one this and last one this. Okay, so I'm going to only use this four images. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna start a course for website development. Okay, so if you want to learn how to build a website, okay, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Whenever I started that course, you will get notified. I'm going to start this course soon, so stay tuned. Okay, so sorry, now yes for CS plan. So actually I'm going to use some extensions. I actually installed some extension. You have to install this extension for easier code. The extension name HTML CSS support. Okay, sorry, what the hell, HTML CSS support. Okay, and use this live server. Okay, for going to live your project, going live for your project which you need to be built. Okay, some extra, so you actually need only two extension for that. And so let's start it with our project, a simple project. For creating a static website, we use HTML file and CSS file. That's most you should use there. Okay, so creating a file HTML, you should click here, and I'm going to name with index.html. Basically, you can give it any name, HTML, and I'm going to let's create one more file named with style.css. Okay, named with style.css. So we are going to use these two file. Okay, so creating our boilerplate, click on shift and 1. So it's going this exclamation sign. Okay, and hit enter. It's going to give you a simple boilerplate. Okay, that's a simple, I think that's enough. Okay, good. Now I'm going to change my title. Okay, so the title should be Code with Abdur, and I'm going to connect link.css here. Link relation style sheet and href style.css, because I have out of my folder. If I put this CSS file in a folder, so we have to write here folder name /style.css, which I kept a CSS file name, so you should to write this one here. Okay, so we actually attach our CSS file here. Now we actually divided our project in 4 sections. Okay, and 1 footer. So let's create our sections. So with you, like if you click on that link, it will open a new page for you. Okay, it will open a new page for you. It not reload on your parent folder and parent page. So let's give it sorry, my bad, and the date go with the perfect. Now, but actually we're going to comment out this line for now. Okay, now we have 4 sections. So we are starting with first section, that's hero section. So let's start with this. live. It will appear live here. Yeah, we have this. Okay, perfect working. So now if this one, so now for CSS one. Okay, so we have to CSS it here. Okay, so CSS 5. We're going to first import something. So this is my link. I'm going to put this link in description, so you can copy from there and paste your file in your file. So now we're going to start our CSS here. So for you have to get a universal sign, and in universal sign we have to put margin to 0, padding to 0, and box sizing to box border box. My bad. Sorry, box sizing to border box. It will help you to remove unwanted space from here. It will remove your unwanted space. And one more thing we have to add, like in HTML and in body. Called CSS code. Now we will start with our hero section. Dot hero section. Look how it looks like. Okay, so we have no any scroll button and this, and the code we will see add a heading. So we go heading here. Now what we have here, we have a text container, which I will go to this one. So now style for our text container. Perfect. Good enough. It's looking good. Okay. It's looking good. Now we are going to our next section. Okay. That section will be completed here. Now the section should be our black. Uppercase, this uppercase CSS, and we just add this one, here text transformation, uppercase. Oh, look, it will actually going to be an uppercase. Okay. Here, all text are in a capital letter. Now, our second section work will be done here. Now, come to the third section, which is our work section. Okay. this section here, work section complete now, but CSS part will be remain here. So
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
time for next section. Okay, going to this one, going to HTML page, and our section going to be our bottom section. So let me this one, this one, this one, and this one.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising,
Or contact heading.
I swear I'm the breath I never
It will not help. Yeah. So it's time for the footer. Okay.
pick up my sword.
For footer. Okay, here we have.
It's rising in the charge. I'm coming to fight. I swear I'm the breath
responsive. Yeah, there we have not responsive. Looking bad. So for that, we use media screen time.
Waiting to watch the world burn. Hiding the truth with all your lies. Retribution against the system. Taking a stand, this was enough. We the people expect a time to change the world for us. Living in a fantasy, taking everything away from me. Losing faith was a reaction to your miscalculation. Waiting to watch the world burn. Waiting to watch the world burn.
Perfect. For the video, thank you for till continuing to the last. Now I'm going to start a course, web development course. It will be excitement, more excitement for this. So stay tuned with my channel. Thank you to all of you, and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.